Hi, I'm Bryant Lovin from Bergkamp. Today I'm going to walk you around the latest generation of our SP5E spray injection patcher to show you some of the upgrades and benefits. Here we have the SP5E latest generation 2-section spray boom. The spray boom has a parallel linkage outer section that keeps the spray nozzle at level surface at all times. The aggregate passes through this clear tube here through the spray nozzle. As it passes through the spray nozzle, it's coated with emulsion from 3 nozzles inside the head. The spray nozzle is equipped with a nozzle oscillation feature that allows the material being applied to be broadcasted over the repair area more evenly. The emulsion is heated from this manifold here that keeps the emulsion at application temperature at all times. During application of material, an air bypass will engage, directing half of the airflow through this tube here and allowing the aggregate to spray more evenly. When fully extended, the boom measures 14.5 feet from base to nozzle, and it rotates 270 degrees around the elbow. An additional safety feature is the boom lane departure system that warns the operator if the boom starts to move outside of the safe working zone. The automated latch allows the operator to stow the boom for safe travel when moving from repair site to repair site, and then deploy the boom without having to leave the cab. With the operator in mind, Bergkamp designed a simple and easy to use in-cab control system that allows the operator to work all day long without leaving the safety of the cab. With the safety operator presence switch depressed, the joystick allows for easy manipulation of the spray nozzle to wherever you would like. The buttons correspond to different functions on the screen depending on which screen is selected. Using the joystick, the operator can easily perform the step-by-step process of blowing out, tacking, filling, and top coating the repairs area. The Specs control system allows for easy change of application and spray rate of your repair, which allows for consistent and quality repairs each time. During normal operation, the in-pave telematics system actively reports patch data and machine parameters to a cloud-based server that can be accessed at any time. The SP5E is designed with a large operator platform that lets you safely access the aggregate hopper and emulsion tank. 3 easy emulsion loading options are through the tank sump port here, the hatch at the top of the tank, or through the emulsion pump which resides in this heated cabinet. On the SP5E, Bergkamp offers the choice of a single chamber hopper system or a dual chamber hopper system. This unit is configured with a dual chamber as indicated by the 2 augers sticking out of the back. If there ever be a need to empty the hopper, the SP5E comes standard with a rear discharge chute, allowing all the material to exit through the back. As an added safety feature, Bergkamp offers a 360-degree camera so the operator can see everything that's happening around the patcher. During working hours, the emulsion heating system is powered by an onboard generator. During non-working hours, the heating system can be plugged in overnight. The SP5E does not have an auxiliary engine, which means less pollution in your communities and less maintenance for you to worry about.